Hey, what's up guys? My name is Benkei. Today let's talk about how to do file processing, how to write something to a file. So first, let's write a line to an empty file. Let me give you an example with open. Say file name, say Benkei file.txt as my file dot write hello world. Here I finished the programming that I write a line to a file. So the syntax is I need to start with this, then open. This is my file name that I want to write stuff to. And this is the keyword say W, that means write. It means that I want to write something to this file. Then this is my file object. Then I just use write hello world. So let's write. Then let's go look for called a Benkei file.txt. You can see hello world is here, right? So let me delete. Okay. Next, I want to write multiple lines. Hello world. My file dot write. How are you doing today? Then I want to write something more. I in range 10. My file dot write say today the temperature is is 10 degree, whatever degree, and let's write. Okay, let's go Benkei.file.text. I can see that hello world, how are you doing today? But hello, today the temperature is 0, is 10, is 20, but there's something weird here. The stuff all written in one line. So there's a way to do that. I need to add a change of line symbol here. Change another line. Let's close it. Let's rerun the programming. Okay, let's go look for Benkei. As you can see that they're written line by line here, right? Okay. So how to append a line to a file? Sometimes I want to append some stuff. The file is already there. So what I'm gonna do, say okay, with open still the same file, but I want to append something to here. So the keyword here, I just need to change the keyword from W to A. So my file dot write say how to say something, say the mall is say you are super great today, and I'll change the line. So let's write. Let's go look for the file. Okay, here you are super great today. As you can see that it append to the last line of the previous files. Okay, I think that's all for the file, how to write something to a file in Python. Thank you.